Light infuses the world with imagination. Lighting changes the world through innovation. Ever-Tie coexists harmoniously with industrial ecology, responds to the call of our times with impressive lighting solutions. JIANGSU Ever-Tie Lighting Incorporated, founded in 2013, is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to green and smart LED devices. With considerable expertise in R&D, manufacturing, sales and services in the industrial and commercial lighting industry, Ever-Tie is committed to providing professional and comprehensive lighting solutions for industrial and commercial applications. After years of development, Ever-Tie has built up both its scale and its capability with the introduction of fully automatic spring production lines and finished the product's assembly line, and invested in advanced automatic equipment to improve the quality of products. Ever-Tie, through consistent transformation and innovation, has achieved great breakthroughs on lighting fixtures technologies and continues to explore new possibilities in the lighting industry for a brighter future. Ever-Tie, keeping up with the evolving world, strives to be a modern lighting fixtures manufacturer with one-stop service. Thanks to its strong R&D capacity and the efficient system of automated manufacturing, coupled with international certifications such as UL, FCC, and DLC, Ever-Tie has made its successful presence in the US and Canada market and accumulated a great reputation among overseas customers. According to China Association of Lighting Industry, Ever-Tie topped in exporters of high bay in the first 3 quarters of 2021. As a leading player in the lighting business, Ever-Tie is expanding its presence around the globe and keeping innovating for the future. Innovation is in the genes of everyone in Ever-Tie. We have built a professional R&D team who follows closely the latest development of the industry with great insights into new applications. The Ever-Tie R&D Center has a number of specific laboratories. Through the research on the performance of different LED fixtures, we provide tailored solutions to our customers. We have a wide range of product portfolio including LED truffer, LED strip, LED wrap, LED high bay and LED backlit panel, and have obtained over 60 patents. Our strict quality control system affirms our commitments to pursue the excellence of the quality of products and services. Ever-Tie adopts MES and ERP management systems to make software-based management, and it is certified by a series of quality and environmental management systems such as ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. The application of automated facilities into manufacturing demonstrates Ever-Tie's commitment to improve product design, optimize manufacturing processes and technical standards, and moving towards greater automation. Ever-Tie ensures the finest quality of its products while expanding its production capacity, thus laying a solid foundation for future development and meeting diversified customers' demands. With state-of-the-art technology and considerable experience, Ever-Tie always offers high-quality products, smart lighting solutions, and customized services. In addition, Ever-Tie is establishing in-depth cooperation with universities as a way to make technological breakthrough and attract talent. Equipped with strong R&D expertise and production capacity, Ever-Tie is devoted to offer the best lighting solutions and advancing the global lighting industry for common prosperity. Withholding the original inspiration of perseverance and excellence, Ever-Tie stands out in the lighting industry, breaks the limits through innovation in the changing world, and work together with industrial partners to create excellent products and services for brighter future and better world.